Using our most common plate, we will now provide an example of how the device is mounted onto the bracket. Now that the screws have been removed, the device can be placed along the bracket. If you would prefer the side plate on the other side, the bracket can simply be rotated. Using the M6 screws provided with the device, we will now screw the device onto the bracket. Included with the mounting bracket, you will find a screw kit that has all the various mounting methods should you choose to use a Visa or RAM mount. Again, we provide both a socket head screw kit as well as a Phillips head version to meet your preferences. As you can see, mounting the device onto this Visa arm is simple. In this case, all we used was the M6 screws that come provided.